When it comes to gaming laptops, people want more than just raw performance. They want durability, style, and power packed into a machine that can handle long hours of intense gameplay. The ASUS TUF Gaming A18 is one of those laptops that tries to strike the perfect balance between performance and toughness. On Tap Tech, we break down devices like this to see if they live up to the hype. The A18 is a beast in both design and power, and today we're going to see why it's catching so much attention. The ASUS TUF A18 makes a strong impression right out of the box. It's built with the signature TUF design that feels rugged but modern. The chassis has clean lines, bold branding, and a military-inspired look. It feels solid in the hands, yet it's not overly heavy for an 18-inch laptop. The build quality inspires confidence, giving you the sense that it can handle daily use and even a bit of rough treatment. The keyboard area has a nice finish, and the RGB lighting adds that gamer aesthetic without being too flashy. Overall, the design blends durability and style in a way that fits the TUF identity. The display is a massive 18-inch panel that brings games and content to life. ASUS offers options for high refresh rates, and the quality is impressive. The large screen size makes gaming immersive and also provides plenty of space for productivity tasks like editing or multitasking. The colors are vivid, brightness is solid, and motion feels smooth thanks to the refresh rate. For competitive gamers, the display feels responsive, and for content creators, the size and clarity make it a versatile choice. Performance is the highlight of the ASUS TUF A18. Powered by the latest AMD Ryzen processors paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, it delivers serious horsepower. Games run smoothly at high settings, and demanding tasks like video editing or 3D rendering are handled with ease. The laptop comes with fast DDR5 memory and high-speed SSD storage, which means boot-ups, load times, and multitasking are all quick and seamless. Whether you're into AAA titles or creative workloads, the A18 keeps up without breaking a sweat. Cooling has always been a concern in gaming laptops, and ASUS has put effort into the thermal design here. The A18 uses multiple heat pipes, large fans, and efficient airflow to keep temperatures under control. Even during long gaming sessions, the laptop manages heat well. Fans do get noticeable, but it's the trade-off for stable performance. The durability of the cooling system also matches the TUF branding, designed to last through heavy use. Battery life in a laptop of this size isn't going to match Ultrabooks, but ASUS has managed to make it respectable. With everyday use like browsing or streaming, it can last several hours, but gaming will require staying plugged in for the best performance. Charging is quick, and the power brick, while large, delivers the wattage needed to keep this machine running at full speed. For a big gaming laptop, the balance is fair. The keyboard is comfortable and responsive. It features a full-size layout with a numeric pad, and the keys have a satisfying travel distance. ASUS includes RGB lighting that can be customized through software, letting gamers personalize their setup. The trackpad is also large and smooth, though most gamers will pair it with a dedicated mouse. The overall input experience feels reliable for both gaming and productivity. Connectivity is another strong point. The A18 includes multiple USB ports, HDMI, an Ethernet jack, and a headphone jack. With Wi-Fi 6E support, wireless connectivity is strong and stable, giving gamers low-latency online play. The ports are well placed, making it easier to connect peripherals without cluttering your setup. For a gaming laptop, this variety of connectivity makes it versatile for both home and competitive setups. When it comes to value, the ASUS TUF A18 positions itself as a performance-focused laptop at a price that undercuts some premium flagships. It's not the cheapest option, but considering the hardware, display size, and build quality, it feels like you get a lot for what you pay. It's a great option for gamers who want power and durability without jumping into the ultra-expensive segment. Of course, there are pros and cons. The pros include powerful performance, a massive display with high refresh rates, solid build quality, and reliable cooling. The value for money is strong, and the laptop feels ready for years of use. On the other side, the laptop is large and heavy, which reduces portability. The fans can get loud during intense sessions, and battery life is limited if you're away from a charger. But these trade-offs are expected in a machine designed for serious gaming. So, should you buy the ASUS TUF Gaming A18? If you're looking for a powerful gaming laptop that balances performance and durability with a competitive price, the A18 is a strong choice. It may not be as slim or flashy as some premium models, but it delivers where it matters most: gaming and productivity. ASUS has refined the TUF line to offer reliability and toughness without cutting corners on performance. At Tap Tech, we explore devices that bring power and style together, and the ASUS TUF A18 is a solid example of that. It's built for gamers, creators, and anyone who wants a big, powerful machine that lasts. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Stay tuned for more authentic reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.